Okay, let's get into it. Today we are doing a deep dive on something that, on the surface, seems about as mundane as it gets.
A power supply, right?
Right.
It's not exactly exciting hardware.
Not at all. But this one, the Aurora Multimedia PS0077-1-UK, it actually reveals so much about global trade, government purchasing, and just the economics of a very specific industry.
It really does.
So our mission is to take this one product, it's what, 24 volts DC, 90 watts, with a UK plug.
And it's made for very specific high-end matrix switchers, the DXM series.
Right. And we want to uncover the economic story that's sort of hidden inside its $58 price tag.
Well, the first thing that really jumps out if you look at the product listing is that they don't lead with the tech specs.
Oh.
What do they lead with? Trade policy. The big, bold claim is that it's offered with no tariffs.
Wait, hold on. For a $58 plug, they're advertising its tariff status. Is that really a selling point?
Oh, absolutely. Because that no tariff claim is, it's the gateway. It's the first step to the really important designation, which is TAA compliance,
Yes.
the Trade Agreements Act.
Ah, okay. And that's the key for any kind of government work.
That is the golden ticket. They're explicitly marketing this for government purchasing. This isn't just a cheap piece of hardware. It's a certified piece of hardware. That TAA approval means it can be legally sold to the U.S. government.
So the $58 price isn't just about the metal and plastic. It's about the paperwork, the origin documentation.
Exactly. They've baked a whole bureaucratic requirement right into the CU.
That makes the economics of it much clearer. But okay, let's pivot to the other thing that just seems baffling to me. The support system.
Mm-hmm.
You buy this adapter for $58 and you get free lifetime telephone, chat, text, fax, and email tech support.
Fax support in this day and age.
I know, right? Why would anyone offer that kind of massive ongoing commitment for a simple power adapter?
Because the support isn't really for the adapter.
What's it for then?
It's for the system the adapter is powering. Think about the equipment. The DXM switchers, the high-end presentation gear, the Dante microphones,
Stuff that runs boardrooms, universities.
and most importantly, sensitive government installations because of that TAA compliance.
Oh, okay, I see where you're going.
If that $58 power supply fails, the entire multi-thousand-dollar matrix switch goes down with it.
And the cost of that downtime is the real issue.
The cost of downtime in a professional AV environment is, it's astronomical compared to the cost of the component.
So the lifetime support isn't for the plug itself. It's basically an insurance policy against system failure.
It's a guarantee of uptime for their most important clients. It's about mitigating risk in a very high-stakes deployment.
Got it. So who cares if the support channel is a fax machine? What matters is there's a documented path for immediate help if something goes wrong at 3 in the morning.
Exactly. So that power supply isn't just $58 of hardware. It's a node in a complex network of global trade compliance.
Structured specifically for government procurement.
And backed by a lifetime of technical support. It just shows you how intense the professional AV market really is.
I think the key takeaway for you listening today is that in the world of specialized electronics, price is really only half the story. The value is often tied to these invisible things like geopolitical agreements and service guarantees.
That's a great point.
And it sort of leaves you with a final thought to mull over. How many other seemingly simple, low-cost components out there are secretly subject to these complex international trade deals and government rules? What other tiny parts are silently running on no tariffs right now?